Long before you're here and watching the rodeo here, the Calgary Stampede is busy planning ways to celebrate the Western lifestyle. Some are new every year, and some have a deep tradition year over year. The Stampede poster is a treasured symbol of each year and is unveiled every fall. This year, the youngest poster artist in Stampede history, Allie Clipperton, was selected. We had the privilege of going behind the scenes on her process as she brings us behind the scenes at the rodeo to the final 2020 Calgary Stampede poster. Here starts our work at Lammle's Western Wear as the official Western Wear Supplier of the Calgary Stampede. We work hard to bring you official Calgary Stampede merchandise to remember your experience, including the most iconic item in any year's collection, the Stampede Poster Buckle. This year started out no different, working with our partners at Montana Silversmiths to transcribe the young artist's vision into another art form. To ensure we capture the essence of the poster, we hand-sketch the design and combine it with traditional elements with the Calgary Stampede dated logo. A sculptor carves the buckle scene into wax to prepare it for digitization. The buckle is electroplated in gold and silver, and finally, many caring hands buff, polish, and hand paint each unique buckle to the finished product. The 2020 Calgary Stampede Poster Buckle, a unique collector's piece commemorating a stampede that we will celebrate in spirit. While Lammle's Western Wear won't be at the Calgary Stampede this year, as a hub for souvenirs, as a champion-level sponsor, or one-stop shop for all things Western, we will always be owned and operated right here. And we will always be here, and here, and out here. And we will always celebrate the spirit of the West. Get your piece of Calgary Stampede history at LAMMLES.